Speaker sir, आता हांव येता तुझे labor and employment demand number 52 and 60. Speaker sir, labor budget has been cut from 110 crores to 98 crores. Employment budget has been cut from 9.25 crore to 9.1 crore. There is cuts in training, enforcement, job development. So it reflects government's lack of priority towards fighting unemployment. Speaker sir, आमचे unemployment 8.7% आहा, which is nearly double the national average. Among women, it is alarming, 16.8% compared to 5.6%. Over 1.2 lakh youth are registered for jobs, but private sector recruitment of Goans is not enforced, while outsider labor dominates. Speaker sir, as Goan unemployment has become so rampant that it has become a people's joke. It is now the new flex, a policy failure and a crisis of governance. Speaker sir, companies are routinely flouting minimum wage laws. Chief Minister himself admitted publicly that some workers earn less than 560 rupees a day. Speaker sir, labor cases are dragged on for years. Government extended work day from 9 to 10 hours without debate, damaging health, productivity and work-life balance. Speaker sir, funds for welfare are lying idle. 600 crores have been collected from labor welfare, remains unspent. Building and construction labor welfare funds sitting idle, while workers are denied housing, health care and insurance. Contract labor म्हणटा आनी डेली वेज वर्करांची जॉब सिक्युरिटी म्हणटी गेली त्या नाहीत. हांव पयरूच सांगतालो टिचरांचे कोण आयिल्ले म्हणजे टिचर हांवें सांगिल्लें एकूच बाबूश मंचरात जाणें कंप्युटर टिचरांक परमनंट केल्ले आनी तांकां एक पळयलें म्हणून विदाउट एनी सेल्फिश इंटरेस्ट. पूण ताजे मागीर कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट वर्कर आनी डेली वेज म्हणटा तांकां न्याय ना. दे आर वर्स देन बॉन्डेड लेबर. स्पीकर सर, तातूंत स्ट्रायक बॅन्स आहात. Companies are hiring outside Goa. They must be mandated to publish recruitment data on the employment website for transparency. Labor mandis. Speaker sir, what are the issue ha? कितें ने रोकडा लेबर. रोकडा लेबर तोंडान येता तो रेट सांगता म्हणटात. सो आज स्पीकर सर अशें आहा की आमकां नोटिफाईड लेबर मंडीज म्हणटा ते आसपाक जाय इन एवरी तालुका. आनी स्पीकर सर, you have to regulate hiring and standardize the rates. You have to provide them sanitation, medical support.
Honorable
you have
member.
to replace unsafe.
Honorable member.
आमकां unsafe street corner gatherings म्हणून हे जे आहा रोकडा रावतात ते तांकां एक डिग्निफाईड ऑर्गॅनिक साइट्स ऑर्गनायज्ड साइट्स दिवपाची गरज आहा. ESI हॉस्पिटल स्पीकर सर,